Hello everyone, my name is Heram Badonde hosting today's video. I hope you all are doing well in this COVID pandemic. In today's video, we are going to discuss few points about wildlife tourism. When we talk about ecotourism and sustainable tourism, wildlife tourism comes in a picture. Educational tours are organized to observe plants and animals in their natural habitat. Governmental bodies in India supporting the conservation initiatives taken for the welfare of flora and fauna. The rapid growth has been observed in wildlife tourism in last few years. Globally, wildlife tourism employs 22 million people directly and indirectly. We remind all those jungle safaris when we talk about wildlife tourism. Wildlife tours allow us to interact with animals in their natural habitat. Zoos or wildlife parks should be conserved through awareness campaigns. Beyond changing mindsets, tourism can prevent ecosystem degradation by creating more sustainable livelihoods for local communities. Wildlife tourism provides countless opportunity to the individuals to learn about natural world. Whale watching helps to raise visitors' knowledge of aquatic mammals and increase their support for whale conservation. Bird watching, swimming with dolphins, and cuddling pandas are some popular activities amongst the tourists. Monkey forest and ostrich rides are famous activities in wildlife tourism. Wildlife tourism encourages the creation of national parks, nature reserves, and other protected areas to preserve their biodiversity. In the Galapagos, for instance, marine-based tourism is worth over 178 million per year and supports over a third of a job. Mountain gorillas are rare species that benefited wildlife tourism and showcase the economic value of wildlife tourism. A large number of tourists come to visit India to see Asian elephants, Asiatic lion, Bengal tiger, sloth bear, Indian rhinoceros, and leopard to hundreds of bird species. Wildlife tourism is now rising up in India and now obtaining a global identity. Proceeds from visitor entrance fees, operating permits, accommodations, and guiding services can help to raise funds for management. Multiple management activities such as ecosystem monitoring, anti-poaching patrols, invasion species eradication, and environmental educational programs helps in conservation. There is huge potential in wildlife tourism to support sustainable development without disturbing natural habitats. Wildlife tourism can be a great thing as there are so many positive impacts of wildlife tourism such as conservation, research, breeding programs, and economic benefits. So these are some key facts everyone should know about wildlife tourism. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching this video.